Meron na. Okay, so like what I have said, yung sa iba na design project proposal ay makikiayos. So dapat nandoon yung hinahanap natin sa guidelines. So nakasulat naman sa guidelines kung ano yung ating ng dapat laman ng ating proposal. So the proposal should include yung function ng ating machine, what is the components of each, tapos yung estimated budget, at saka yung inyong initial design. So after midterms, I will be going to check one by one yung inyong mga design project proposal kasi that will be the first document na gigradean ko with regards to your design project. Okay, so kailangan by after ng midterms natin is okay na lahat yung inyong design project proposal. And then after midterms, I will have a weekly accomplishment report. So kailangan weekly you have your accomplishment with regards to your design project. So you will be reporting to me kung ano ba yung na-accomplish nyo at syempre, papakita nyo sa akin kung ano yung mga accomplishments na yun. And that will be also one of the documents na i-gradean ko with regards to your design project. Okay, so do you still have concern with your design project? Kasi our time for today, yung ating 2 hours, 4 o'clock to hanggang 6 o'clock, will be dedicated sana with your design project. Okay, so next week, we will have the discussion nung last topic natin na makakasama sa ating midterm examination. So the midterm exam will be on week number 9. So now is week number 7. We also have week number 8 na lang to discuss yung ating mga topics for our midterm examination. Okay, so do you still have other concerns? Ano ba? Okay, so hindi mo na ako mag-attendance but I will take a screenshot na lang nitong ating nasa Google Meet para din makita ko kung sino yung mga umattend for today's class. Okay? Wala na bang concern? Kung wala na, you can leave the meet.
Sige po, sir.
Kung sino magse-settle muna ng tubig?
Just make sure na lang na gumawa ng ating design project.
Magkano ba ho?